how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a little naked nutrition unboxing. This is completely unsponsored, by the way. However, I do have a discount code which I promise I will share with you. But yeah, I got some new products from Naked Nutrition. I really like these guys. I really support what they do. And yeah, I thought I'd show you what I ordered. And also, I thought it was about time I shared my discount code with you, because I don't think I've shared it. I think I've shared it on my blog. I may have shared it on my threads. I don't think I've shared it on my YouTube. And you know me, I love a discount code. They just bring me so much joy. They give me all the excuses to buy the stuff I want and need. Oh, there's a fly in here that I cannot get rid of. So if you hear any buzzing, that's what it is. Anyway, I love Naked Nutrition. I love what they do. I have a discount code. And yeah, I just thought I'd do a little unboxing, show you what I got, why I like them so much, and also share my discount code. So first of all, my discount code gets you 15% off absolutely everything on their website. And the code is KIRSTY15. I shall pop it here. If you've got any issues using the code, please message me, please comment, and I will try and fix it, or I will, I don't know, like send you another code. Sometimes these codes expire, but yeah, this one should work. It should be perfect. But yeah, if you ever have any issues with this code or any others, let me know. I'll sort it out. I'll message you. So first up, we have my tried and true favorite product from the brand. This is the Naked Collagen. Now, the reason I like this is because, first of all, it is a really high quality product. All the Naked Nutrition products come with like third-party testing. So they are not only like verified by the brand themselves, but like verified by third-party companies who are like, yes, this is as good as they say. And also, you know me, I'm funny about farming. I like to buy things from good quality farms, and all their products are like anything that comes from cows comes from like grass-fed, humanely reared cows. So that is really important to me as well. And then I also really like their products because they are just naked. Like they say, like they're not packed full of like fillers and artificial colors, flavors, sweeteners. I personally cannot bear when you have like a peach lychee flavored collagen. Collagen doesn't taste like peach lychee, and peach lychee tastes like a disgusting, like for children, sugary syrup disgustingness. I don't really like a lot of like, I don't know how to describe it, but like syrups and like squashes. Like I never drink Red Bull. I never drink like an orange squash. I am smoothies or tea or coffee. I am not like a artificial kind of sugary drink kind of girl. So when I find that the collagen drinks are all kind of like the sort of thing I would never, ever, ever drink, and I find really disgusting, I just hate it. So I really like this because it is literally just naked collagen. I mix it into a smoothie. I mix it into, say, yogurt. I find it really good. And also it's just like really good quality. And the cows that it comes from are like really well treated, and I respect that. And if you look here at the ingredients, it is literally collagen peptides, 100%, nothing else. So you basically have 1 scoop a day, you mix it into a drink of your choice or something like a smoothie or a smoothie bowl. And yeah, that's literally all you need, and it will give you better hair, better skin, and also like help your joint health, because as I get older and after I had a baby, I really felt the decline in my joint health. So that is why I am now taking collagen every day. Actually, that's not true. I've not taken it for a couple of weeks because I ran out, and now I have it again. So here we go. Anyway, I really like this stuff. I really rate it. So yeah, that is the first item I got. And then the next item I got was a bit of a wild card. I was kind of debating between this and the pea protein, but I got the whey because I just heard that whey is like really good for you, for like your muscles and your bones and things like that. And my mum recently had a bone density test, and she's shrunk in height, and also her bones are not as strong as they used to be. And obviously a lot of these things are kind of like, I don't know, like gene related. So I'm worried that if my mum has poor bone density, I may have poor bone density. So I heard whey was really good for that. I haven't actually started trying this yet, but it contains literally whey protein concentrate, coconut sugar, and that is it. So yeah, it is all completely natural, and I'm hoping that it will help me with my bones. But yeah, I haven't started this yet, but I thought I'd give this a go, and I was really torn between this and the pea protein. But I thought I'd go for this, see how I feel on it, and yeah, maybe next time I'll go for the pea protein. But as soon as this is finished, I am going to buy more, because I feel like I'm at that age now where I need collagen every day, and I do feel the difference when I do take it compared to when I don't. Anyway, that's my video. It's just a little unboxing. I thought I'd share what I got with you. Let me know if you've tried Naked Nutrition products. Let me know if you've tried the whey or the pea protein as well, because I am really interested to know how you feel about it. And yeah, if you want to buy anything from them, use the code KIRSTY15 for 15% off, and I'll also put a shopping link below as well. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, maybe I'll do another video about them soon if you're interested. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.